Welcome students. This video is about 10th standard science practicals Mendel's monohybrid cross. Before entering into the actual video, we should know few terminologies. First one is monohybrid cross. This is a cross involving two plants that differs in single pair of contrasting characters. The character chosen for monohybrid cross is height of the stem. So the contrasting pair of characters are tallness and dwarfness. The tallness is represented with 2 capital T and dwarfness with 2 small t. The second term is pure breeding variety. Pure breeding tall variety is a plant which produces only tall plants in its subsequent generations. That is, this plant contains only the gene for tallness and it is mentioned with 2 capital T. That is, it contains same alleles for the tallness trait. Pure breeding dwarf variety is a plant same as that of the previous one. It produces only dwarf plants in its generations and it contains only the gene for dwarfness. It is mentioned with 2 small t. This is otherwise called as homozygous condition, which contains the same type of alleles for a trait, that is either 2 capital T or 2 small t. Next one is hybrid plant. It is obtained by crossing the 2 pure breeding varieties. One is tall and other one is dwarf. We can get the hybrid plant and it is mentioned with heterozygous condition. It contains 2 different types of alleles, one capital T and one small t. Since the trait tallness is a dominant nature, it is expressed first in the first generation. Next one is selfing, that is the F1 plants obtained by crossing the pure breeding varieties are crossed among themselves. This is called as F1 selfing. Then phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio is nothing but the external character or the morphological expression of the trait, that is either tallness or dwarfness. Then genotypic ratio, it is the genetic expression of the character, that is homozygous condition or heterozygous condition. These are the terminologies that we should come across in this practical. First, aim of the experiment: to study the Mendel's monohybrid cross and to write the phenotypic and genotypic ratio using a checkerboard. Then procedure: the first point is pure breeding tall variety is crossed with the pure breeding dwarf variety. This gives rise to the first filial generation or F1 generation. All the F1 plants were tall in nature since the trait tallness is the dominant one. These F1 plants were selfed, that is they are crossed among themselves, and this gives rise to F2 generation. The F2 generation is depicted in checkerboard. The pure breeding tall variety is mentioned as capital T, capital T. The pure breeding dwarf variety is mentioned as small t, small t. The pure breeding tall variety produces only one type of gamete, that is capital T, whereas the pure breeding dwarf variety produces only one type of gamete, that is small t. When these were crossed, it produces a hybrid with genes capital T and small t. It is called as heterozygous condition of genes, that is 2 different alleles for a same trait. During selfing of the F1 generation, this hybrids produces 2 different kinds of gametes. One is capital T and one is small t. The crossing is depicted in the checkerboard. 3 different types of plants. One plant with pure breeding variety, that is homozygous pure tall. 2 plants are heterozygous hybrid tall, and the last one is pure dwarf variety. Regarding the phenotypic ratio, since the tallness is the dominant trait, it is expressed most, and we have 3 plants with tall character and 1 plant with dwarf character. So the phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Then the genotypic ratio, that is the genetic expression of the character, is 1:2:1, which can be represented as 1 pure breeding tall variety, 2 heterozygous hybrid tall variety and 1 dwarf variety. So you have to write the aim of the experiment, that is to study the monohybrid cross with the given picture or model and to write the phenotypic and genotypic ratio of a pea plant using a checkerboard. And then procedure, first point is crossing the pure breeding tall variety with the pure breeding dwarf variety. We are obtaining the F1 generation. Second point is the selfing of the F1 hybrids. Crossing is depicted in a checkerboard. Then in the result you are going to write the phenotypic ratio as 3:1, that is 3 tall plants is to 1 dwarf plant, and genotypic ratio as 1:2:1, that is 1 pure breeding tall is to 2 hybrid tall is to 1 dwarf plant. That's all about this practical. Thank you.